Solutioneering Global Sustainability Systems. One Community Weekly Progress Update, number 624.
One Community is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We are creating open source and free shared blueprints and resources, tools and tutorials, and do-it-yourself instructions for highest good living. Creating solution models that create additional solution creating models in the service of all life on this planet. This includes highest good approaches to food, energy, housing, education, for-profit and non-profit business creation, society, and stewardship.
Welcome back. I'm Jay. This is another weekly progress update. As a matter of fact, it is our March 3rd, 2025 weekly progress update for what One Community is all about. What we are all about is we're solutioneering global sustainability systems, and that is today's topic, solutioneering global sustainability systems. As a matter of fact, we are the #1 global sustainability systems organization in the world. We've had over 1,300 volunteers contribute to our project. We've had done over 300,000 hours of research and development to create everything you see happening in the background of this video and so much more. And the reason why we're doing that is because we are purposed to create an open source eco-village model that is solutioneering global sustainability systems for all aspects of a sustainable life. And so the solutioneering part is we are open sourcing and free sharing tools, tutorials, resources, and do-it-yourself instructions for all aspects of sustainable living. And the global sustainability systems part is that we're taking the physical foundations of sustainability, which everybody's familiar with, are food, energy, and housing, and we're combining those with the emotional foundations of sustainability, which we have researched and are focusing on and call highest good approaches to fulfilled living, education, economics, and stewardship. And we're putting all this together to create a completely sustainable or radically sustainable living model that most people will consider to be better than the way they're living right now. We're making it easy enough, affordable enough, and attractive enough so that the idea will spread on its own, providing a radically sustainable lifestyle design model that people can implement in a way that works best for you and your friends and your family, bringing together people with shared values and interests to create radically sustainable infrastructure for themselves, because it provides a way of living that's better than the way that people are living right now and can allow people to escape from the rat race, to be able to quit your job and to be able to live and live the life of a king, essentially, if you look at the foundations. And this is about maximizing the richness of life over the riches, but it's about providing a $1 million lifestyle. And why do I say that? Because you're eating some of the freshest possible food, grown without pesticides and herbicides, and more diverse than what you can buy in the grocery store. So better than what almost anybody is getting right now. You're surviving on sustainable energy and eliminating your power bills. You're living in a home that is more artistic and beautiful than traditional homes. So I talked about living the life of a millionaire. You know, a uniquely beautiful home, artistic and beautiful within a beautiful and artistic community, but more importantly, built without any materials that are hazardous to your health, designed so it's built without carcinogenic materials, with the healthiest paint, with the healthiest flooring, with the healthiest materials covering all aspects of it, and artistic and designed with your own hands so that you can create something that is uniquely you, as an example. Living within a social and recreational environment that has more things to do and more time to do those things than almost any traditional environment. So like a Club Med or a cruise ship type of experience where a diversity, a smorgasbord of things that you might want to do is all within walking distance. And not because people are doing it as a job, like, oh, I got to teach a yoga class. No, somebody's offering yoga because they love yoga, and they want to share that with their community and the people visiting that community. And so that's what One Community is about, is incorporating some of these activities within the community contribution model, so that rather than working and doing the things that keep One Community running, this is one of the things that One Community offers. And we will be streaming in and sharing all that as well, so that people can participate outside the community also. And all for community members, the people that live there and are visiting there, free to participate in all that, and all within walking distance. And so you can have the ability to create your work environment and build and schedule your own schedule, so that you can participate in the things that you want to participate. These are the kinds of things that can be created within a community environment where all community members are working together to create and maintain that environment. We have complete control over that. And that is a big part of what it is that we're doing. When I talk about a millionaire lifestyle, I think most people would agree that having a beautiful car is one thing. Having a boat is one thing. But having complete control over your life and knowing for sure that the food that you eat has not been sprayed with poison, knowing for sure that the home that you're living in truly does not have any toxic materials included in it, and looking at it and seeing like, this is unique, this is something beautifully me, because I helped to design it and I added in all these little components that are unique to me. Those are the kinds of things that really create a special life. Having an education program where, if you're interested in it, you're very involved in the education of your children, and that's kid-centric and built on the most revolutionary and progressive education models in the world, taking the best of Montessori and Waldorf and Reggio and Orff and 8 Intelligences and putting them all together in one education program that really stimulates those participating in it, because it leverages their passions for learning all the different subjects, instead of just sitting and reading a book and wondering how this really relates to you. This is what One Community is about, and this is our idea for solutioneering global sustainability systems. It's creating a model of living that most people would consider to be far superior to the way they're living right now, and open sourcing and free sharing it so it's easy enough and affordable enough, and sharing it with that so people can see how attractive it is and demonstrate it's attractive enough so the idea can and will spread on its own, creating a viral sustainability movement of people with shared values and interests coming together to create a uniquely meaningful life experience built on this radical sustainability and replicable, and teaching other people how to do this as well. And for those who want to get on board with our open source model and be a part of open sourcing and free sharing and evolving it and creating new versions and evolutions of all this, we're creating the website infrastructure, the software to be able to support all that, so that we can have more and more easy to follow plans, more and more versions, and we can fuel this powerful engine for change with constant input from people creating other versions of what it is that we're doing. So there's something for everyone everywhere, and all of it designed so it can be implemented modularly. So for people that are like, I'm not interested in that community living thing, or I live in an urban environment and I don't want to change that. Well, maybe you want to just implement the high-skilled education model, or maybe you just want to participate in the fulfilled living model that we're creating, or maybe there's opportunity for a resource-based economy. So we're trailblazing this path to global change by creating something for everyone and open sourcing and free sharing it with these, super improved food, energy, housing, social and recreational models, education models, economic models, all this stuff, putting it together because it's time to discover what we're capable of as a species. And we are damn well capable of becoming a sustainable civilization, but we are also damn well not that right now. And that's a problem. It's a problem that we're not currently sustainable, because we are seeing the effects of that every day. And so it's time to turn that around. And so One Community is creating the foundations for that. And so we're an all-volunteer organization, we're a nonprofit organization, non-governmental organization, creating this because we want to live this way, and we want anybody else that wants to live this way to be able to do that too. And we see ourselves reaching that critical mass, that tipping point of participation, such that we can create a sustainable world that will benefit all people and all life here. And so if you're into this kind of thing and you would like to join us weekly for a dose of positivity and sustainability and talking about how we can create world change for the benefit of everyone, like and subscribe, and more importantly, subscribe through our website. Use our subscribe page there to our newsletter. You'll get one email a week that will include our weekly progress update, as well as a link to our website blog, our weekly blog that has the same title as this, that will show you exactly what our all-volunteer team has accomplished within the last week. And if you'd like to see all of our open source content, visit our website. If you'd like to help out, visit our helping page. We have lots of different ways for people to help out, volunteering, donating, whatever it is that works best for you. If you'd like to support us in probably one of the easiest ways, like and subscribe, of course, or help us share. We're on all the different social media networks to make that as easy as possible. And if you watch the end of this video, you're helping our algorithm. And yeah, this is how we're solutioneering global sustainability systems, and everybody's participation is welcome, and everybody's invited to participate. So with that said, thanks for watching the end, and know that until next week, we will, of course, keep on keeping on. Thank you.
The one community approach to highest good housing is eco-artistic home building that is affordable, sustainable, do-it-yourself duplicable, resource and space efficient, and consists of 7 different sustainably constructed village models. One Community is also creating an open-source duplicable city center. It is designed to be LEED Platinum certified, provide 12 guest rooms, dining for over 150 people, and laundry and recreation space for over 300 people, all while saving money, time, space, and resources. One Community's approach to highest good food is duplicable almost anywhere, scalable for different needs, more biodiverse and nutritious, part of forwarding a global open-source botanical garden collaborative, and includes 9 different free, shared, and duplicable growing environments. One Community's approach to highest good education is designed for all age groups, adaptable to any schooling environment, inspiring and fun for all participants, includes national standards, all subjects, lesson plans, teaching strategies, learning strategies and tools, classroom design, and more. The One Community approach to highest good society is globally focused, individually enriching, cooperative and collaborative, includes a highest good network and application, 4 different economic models, and combines fulfilled living and true earth stewardship for the benefit of all people and all life on this planet.